Good morning. It is Friday, October 12th. Going to do my morning video on gold. So gold is expected yesterday. I did tell the community that I do expect some overnight consolidation. We did have a hourly bear reversal candle that was potentially confirming here on this red candle. It could have been a bull flag, but you can see now that we are in a further consolidated, and one of the keys here was for me also with this bear reversal candle on the hourly was the loss of the upper Bollinger Band here. So I was riding that upper Bollinger Band, and once we lost that, that's when I was expecting some consolidation. So healthy consolidation here at this point, setting lower highs and lower lows. We're currently breaking to a higher high here on. So the key support to watch on gold, again, I'm using the futures chart over XAU USD. It's just something I've been used to. I've tried to use the XAU USD chart, but I just like the gold futures chart better. So the low here at 12.1930 on gold futures is the key to hold for the bulls. And for continuation, obviously, is going to be a break of the yesterday's high of 12.30. We have resistance right before that out at 12.29, so then 12.30. And bears want to break below 12.1930. So this is healthy consolidation at this point for the bulls. Looking at the miners, also getting consolidation. I'm looking at GDXJ and GDX. As you know, GDXJ is the underlying for JNUG. And looking at this chart, GDXJ, it looks like it's a little bit weaker than GDX at this point. So making a note of that in my head. So you can see GDX here is holding the after hours low here. And so we have resistance on GDX, just the high of yesterday, really for continuation on GDX. GDXJ, on the other hand, need to be aware that we are breaking we broke the low of after hours consolidation in pre-market. Looking at the US dollar. The US dollar is getting a nice little bounce here. Looking at resistance here of 95.32. That's something to keep an eye on also for gold bulls to see if it's able to break that. That would be a higher high on the hourly. Here you can see it's been setting lower highs and lower lows. It's been stepping down. So this is going to be significant resistance here for the dollar bulls here at 95.32 to watch. And we'll see if they don't. In the long term, the US dollar and gold do have an inverse relationship, but there are days that I've seen them move in the same direction, especially if volatility continues. That'll be something interesting to watch if volatility continues, if people continue to go to gold for a safe haven. So I've seen people leaving the stock market and buying gold and currently buying bonds. TLT has had looking at TLT, the 20-year had some buying as well, as you can see in the weakness of the stock market. So those are all things to keep an eye on. So have a good morning of trading. Don't overtrade. It's the last day of trading. I'll see you soon.